Hello, everybody. This is our last week, week 8, and this week we're going to be covering Angular and a little bit of Vue Js. There's no assignment other than your final project, which is due at the end of the week. So what I have here is a video of an introduction to Angular with a content delivery network. I'm teaching it similarly to the way React was taught, where we called on the React JavaScript to support our React commands. And the same goes true with Angular. And this below here is the code for the video above. I then go into how to install Angular and a quick look at the command line interface and how to create a project the same way we did in React. And I go through the folder architecture, which is going to be a little bit more complicated than React. Then I have a zip called components, which is the code for the above video. Next, I have some avenues to pursue for further study if you like Angular. Most people think it's more challenging, but this is a link of how to compile TypeScript with Visual Studio Code, VS. And one thing of note is that TypeScript is a little bit like JSX, so it shouldn't be too hard to maneuver over to that area. You need to look at a lot of projects and a lot of examples. So I've included a TypeScript playground where you can actually code JavaScript and it will convert to TypeScript, and you can go back and forth. Really fun interface here. You can learn a lot about TypeScript. And then I have some examples of TypeScript. And all these files will have a TS extension. I have a link to the Angular headquarters where it has all the information and documentation about each version. And then I have a link to the Angular CLI cheat sheet so that you know how to create a project and build a project and run it on a server. Lastly, I have a video of what is Vue Js, and I think you'll find it pretty inspiring, meaning that all the complexity and perhaps anxiety toward learning Angular might be replaced in the near future by Vue Js. You can learn what you like. There's plenty of work still with Angular. It's a product built by Google, so it's not going anywhere. But in the first video, I cover the trends, and Vue is sort of neck and neck with Angular right now, while React is above that. So something to think about when you look at these things and get a good glimpse of overviews of what you're going to learn next and what you want to learn next. So anyway, that's week 8. The project's due at the end of the week, and if you have any questions, please reach out.